Ashley here from Crown of Beauty. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing my natural hair tag, which was originally posted by Kimberly Cherrell, one of my favorite YouTubers. I'm going to have my crack at the tag questions that she posted so that you can learn more about my hair. So question number 1 is, what is your hair type? So my hair type is definitely type 4 hair. I would say I'm a strong 4B, but I do have some 4C, a little bit of 4A. I don't know, but definitely type 4 hair. Question number 2 is, who is your current hair inspiration? I would definitely say Kimberly Cherrell. Happy curl, happy girl. She is hilarious, y'all. If you don't watch her videos, please do. She will make you laugh and teach you how to do your hair, okay? I also love Finally Amber, and they look just alike, but they are not related. It's so funny. Only One Jess, I love her. Janelle Shaquira, I think it's another one. I watch so many YouTube videos. It's not funny. Like, I'm always watching YouTube videos, so I have a lot of hair inspirations. And of course, Natural Niecy, love her. Beyond Hair, I just love her. Third question, low porosity or high porosity? My hair, I think, is low porosity. I say that because it takes my hair so long to lather when I'm trying to shampoo, or to really suck in the product when I'm trying to moisturize or trying to put in deep conditioners, all of that. So I think that low porosity would be my hair type, and when I'm looking at YouTube videos, I'm mostly searching for low porosity ways to do things because that's helpful for my hair. I love doing the LCO method when I'm doing a hairstyle. If you don't know what that is, that's the liquid or leave-in conditioner. The next step is a cream. I love creamy, buttery moisturizers. And then the last step is sealing it in with an oil. So that's the LCO. So liquid like water or leave-in conditioner. C is the cream. And then sealing that in with an oil. So my low porosity hair loves that technique. The next question is, deep conditioners, do you prefer thick or slippery? I love thick deep conditioners. They just really help my hair out a lot more. When it's thick and buttery and it don't just slip through my hands. That's why my hair loves shea butter, loves honey, which is usually in thicker products. So I would definitely say a thick deep conditioner. I prefer a slippery conditioner, but not a deep conditioner, because I always end it off with like a slippery conditioner after I do my deep conditioning treatments. Twist out or braid out? Anyone who knows me knows I love a good braid out. I just feel like, especially for my type 4 hair, that braid outs are more defined. They give me more volume, more fullness to my hair than a twist out does. Wash and go or rod set? I would definitely say a wash and go, and I do have a wash and go video on my channel. I haven't mastered doing one since then, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna get back in there. The next question is, perm rod set or flexi rod set? Definitely a flexi rod set, which are those long, soft rollers that you can bend and stuff like that. I love those. I think that they make very cute curls, and it allows you to have like stretched curls. Shower or sink? I prefer to wash my hair in the shower, but I just hate seeing hair go down the drain, and I feel like it's easier to do that if you're in the shower. But I can really get to my hair, get to my roots easily in the shower because it's just coming, But lately I have been washing my hair in the sink because I feel that I can kind of prevent hair from going through the drains. And when I do my hair in the sink, I just make sure to do my hair in at least 2 sections, if not more than that, so that I can really get all of my hair and not miss a spot. So I could do either or. Air dry or diffuse? I'm definitely an air dry girl. Even though lately my hair does not dry overnight, I've been having to sit under a hooded dryer, which I hate. I hate sitting under the dryer. It just, you know, when you little and you went to the hair salon, they put you under the dryer, then they forget about you, and then your neck hot, and then you falling asleep, and then you still, they're like, oh, 20 more minutes. Bruh, if it ain't dry by now, just let me go home. I just hate sitting under the dryer. I really do. Next question. Fleeky edges or as they are? I'm not really big on having to lay my edges every day or even every week, really. As long as my edges are moisturized and they are present here, then I'm cool with that. I mean, of course I'll brush my hair up, but I don't have to like lay the baby hairs. I really don't. To each her own, okay? Deep conditioners or oils? Definitely deep conditioners. I have so many deep conditioners that I'm absolutely in love with. Deep conditioners, I just love them. They're the bomb. They're great. So I love Shea Moisture deep conditioners. I love the TGIN Honey Mask. Next is High Bun or Low Bun. I prefer a real cute high top knot bun. But I will wear a low bun too though. Little side part, you know, I do that too. Bantu knots or finger coils? Definitely Bantu knots. And that's just, you know, kicking it old school, because that used to really help me out when I was transitioning to natural and growing out my relaxer. Bantu knots saved my hair life, because that's the perfect style if you have, when you have those two different textures going on. I feel like Bantu knots kind of camouflage that. So definitely Bantu knots. Do you prefer protected styles in the summer or the winter? I would say wintertime is when I kind of really get tired of my hair and don't want to deal with it, and it's just too much, it's too dry, it's just a lot to maintain. So I would prefer to just have it up. But in the summertime, that's when all the cute popping braids and twists and faux locks. Bonnets or scarves? Definitely scarves. I always got one laying around, putting it on my edges, you know. I'm always looking for my bonnets, actually. But I try to do both, you know. Stay protected, you know. Stay safe out here in these edges streets, okay? Wide tooth comb or detangling brush? I would definitely say both. I use both hair tools because my fingers just don't get the job done to, you know, the point I need it to be done, you know. So I do use the wide tooth comb first, and then I go back in to do a more thorough detangling with my dimming brush, which is my holy grail. Okay, it's the bomb. It's great. Amazing. I love my dimming brush. Finger detangling or a brush? Again, what did I just tell you? The brush. Okay? Right? T-shirt or a microfiber towel? I definitely love just getting an old t-shirt once I finish with wash day and just tying it around my hair before I style it and let it air dry. Gel versus no gel. I'm not a big gel girl. I like a defining cream or a custard or something like that. That also gives me hold and definition. That's what I would prefer. Length or health? I would definitely say health. I've been naturals. Well, I've grown my relaxer out since the end of 2009. So my hair could definitely be a lot longer. But I recently got a trim, and I like to keep up with the trims because hair grows back. It really does. You don't have to really do much to it for it to grow, other than just, you know, damaging it from heat or how you are handling it with hair tools and stuff like that. But healthy hair just looks better, because you can have long hair but doesn't look good, you know. Side part or middle parts? Since my hair has gotten longer, I love doing middle parts for some reason. But I used to really love side parts. But I could do either one. Don't matter to me. The last question is plastic cap or plastic bag. I'm going to definitely have to admit that I will, if I'm deep conditioning, I'm just going to use a grocery bag and just tie it on my head. I mean, it gets the job done. It kind of insulates your hair in there to get some heat going to activate that deep conditioner just fine. Okay, so that was my natural hair tag by Miss Kimberly Cherrell, and I tag you watching this video, if you haven't done it already, to also answer these questions, because I want to know. I want to know about you. You already know about me, so let's talk in the comments what type of hair you have. And I hope that you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe down below by hitting that red subscribe button. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!